Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to save photos and videos from files to gallery on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to save photos and videos from files to gallery, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open Files app on your iPhone. Now from here, just search for the photos and videos you want to save from your Files app to your Gallery app. Now for an example, I want to save this photo from my Files app to the Gallery app. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the photo or video you want to save. Now from here, tap on Share. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Save Image. Now once you have done that, just go to the home screen. Now from here, just open the Photos app. Now from here, tap on Continue. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now as you can see, we have successfully transferred this photo from our Files app to the Gallery app. And this is how you can save photos and videos from Files app to the Gallery app on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.